Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by today. I have this card that I'm going to be creating for you using some gorgeous products from Honeybee. I'm going to be using the really adorable Lovely Layers, Petals, and Wings die set. Now this is just a really great little set that has lots of options for layering. So you can see we have the shadow layer for 2 of the 3 butterflies, as well as a topper layer that has tons of detail, and the same for a bunch of different florals. There's 3 different blooms that have a shadow layer as well, and there you can see options for bodies for the butterflies. Now this is a magnet and pouch storage option from Honeybee. The magnets are really strong, and they do come with this envelope to store the magnet in. This is just a really great way to store your dies, and I love these from Honeybee. I will make sure that I link up to these in the description box. There are several sizes of those dies magnetic storage options. Now this is one of the newest pattern paper pads from Honeybee. It's called Garden Party. It is stunning. There are 24 double-sided sheets in this pack. They are 5.5 by 8.5, so essentially you could get 2 card fronts from each one of these different sheets of paper. This is just such a beautiful color combination in this set called Garden Party. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I really love the tone-on-tone papers, but also the beautiful, bright, kind of like garden-looking papers as well. Really beautiful for any sort of like spring or summer type of card, but really you could use these all year long, especially like these greens. You could use it during Christmas time, that kind of thing. So just really pretty. And this is the paper that I'm going to be using today. I actually already cut my design out of it, so that's why there's just part of a sheet, but there's 2 of those sheets in this pack, as there are of each of the other different patterns. So I'm just going to finish flipping through, and yeah, love that pack so much. So that is the Garden Party 8.5 by 5.5 inch pattern paper pack from Honeybee. So awesome. Now, I'm going to also share with you there is storage for your paper collections from Honeybee, and I will be sure to link up to these storage envelopes in the Honeybee shop, which your pattern paper packs just fit perfectly into this storage pouch, and so great. So just a really great storage option, and I feel like we're always looking for good storage in our spaces. This stamp set is absolutely beautiful. It was designed by Kelly Taylor. It's called Every Happiness. Look at all of these really wonderful sentiments, the beautiful florals, and I also really love this arch stamp that's part of this. And then of course the coordinating dies die cut out all of the florals and the sentiments as well as the arch. You just tape these 2 layers of arches together to get the frame, but what's really great that they're separate is you can also die cut out 2 different sizes of arches for your card front. So love that set so much. Now I have die cut some potential butterflies for my project today out of white cardstock. So both of the top layer and shadow layer from 2 out of those 3 are they're all die cut from white, which I love for the project that I'm working on. And then I die cut the bodies from the same color of cardstock that I'm going to be using for my card front here today. So just a little bit of a pop of color on these butterflies with this green cardstock. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue these layers together for these sweet little butterflies, just using my Honeybee reverse tweezers. I do have just a little bit of Tim Holtz grip mat on my desk, just so that I don't get the liquid adhesive on my desk as well. And I'll just finish adhering these butterflies together, and they're just so cute. What I really liked about just putting the glue in the center is it does allow you, where you have the 2 layers, to lift up the top layer wings to give your butterfly a little more dimension. You could also add some vellum in there. I think that would be really pretty. Lots of options with those butterflies. Now I did stamp the Let's Celebrate sentiment in black ink onto white cardstock, and then I die cut 3 blanks just to layer these up to create just a really nice dimensional sentiment here. So I'm going to glue each of these layers together with my Honeybee precision glue, and again I will mention this week that This glue is back in stock in the Honeybee shop. It is a really, really fantastic glue. It virtually never plugs up. It is just a really great glue for all of your different crafting needs. Now that's what that arch die set, the 2 dies, look like when you just tape them together and run them through your die cutting machine. And I have used my Sweet Stacks rectangles to die cut 2 different sizes of rectangles for my card front. The pattern paper is a little bit smaller than this green cardstock, and I'm just going to go ahead and layer that green cardstock down on my top folding white A2 size card base, and you can just see that creates that really nice little bit of white margin around the outside edge. Now I am going to back my pattern paper with some foam tape just to give it a little bit of dimension, and so I have adhered that down onto my card front, just centering it on that green cardstock, and I love how the colors of green coordinate so nicely. Now I'm just going to layer my arch frame over top, and this is just going to be a really nice home for my little butterflies. And I decided to just use 2 butterflies today instead of 3. You definitely could put all 3 of those butterflies onto this card front. I just decided to design it this way. So I'm going to pop those butterflies down in those spots and then go ahead and adhere the sentiment in the lower portion of my card front. Now I did want to add just a little bit of extra bling, so I am using the Aurora Borealis gem stickers from Honeybee to my project to finish it up. I did link up in the description box below, friends, to all of the different products that I've used from the Honeybee shop. Those are affiliate links, so if you click on one of those links and shop, I do receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. Please make sure you check out all of these products and more in the Honeybee shop. Have a wonderful day, friends. Take care, stay well, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.